our new series. Here we are going to study the graphics and animation using JavaScript in computer graphics. Now this is the P5 library of JavaScript. We are viewing this. This is showing so much animation. Let's see these references also. When we scroll it, the motion of this star is changing here. We can do many things from this, like we can make 2D games from it, and we will make this in later video. But first of all, we will study about P5JS as a computer graphics and animation using JavaScript. Now here it has so much description. You can read this because this is the nice one. It can be attached with HTML5. This is currently on. We can use text, input, video, webcam and sound. We can use any of these here. It has provided already a code editor, web editor. We will use this now, and we will use offline code editor like Atom, Sublime Text editors, Notepad++, etc. Now we will use editor here. Here we are provided already a function of sketch. Here are the files that we have. This is the main page that load to our page. This has included this file as X, leave something, this P2. We need this file. We can download from JS download. Here is download. I think here should be download. Yes, here is download. Then we can download our library. You can download complete file here. Here are all the with example, but I just need P5 mini single file, not a single file but complete version, but you will get all the minified version here, and it is also using the minified version. We can use full version, but minified version is less in size and easy to handle and works same as that. Here it has given style.css also, but we don't want to do anything, so now we will look this later. Now this all the reference of this library has been put on the head file, and this is the main working directory. Now you can change this file to any of these file, but we will add this file to same. You can add here, I think like this, add a new folder and file that we need here, and we can put here of this link. Now here is nothing, but here is canvas. It has drawn already this size of 400 and 400 pixel. You can change this. I want to box this on 600 and 600. It is, if it will be nice, but no, it is so large for me, and I will work on same 400 and 400. Now what things, this color of the canvas, if I remove this, it will show nothing. Here is canvas draw. Let's undo this. You can change color here. We can add the color in different method. This is the color. Suppose I add 1, then it is totally black, like black means 0 means black, and 255 means white. It is totally white and not saying to me. Let's make 100. It will show me something like this, 85, and this. You can like this 255, 100, 100. This is RGB mode. this is red, I will make this 0, and I will make this RG means this is green, and I will make this blue to high 55. Yes, this is the mode you can draw in this. This draw function actually is a function inside the p5.js, this that we have include in this p5.js file. Actually we don't need this add-on for now, this sound, because we are not dealing with sound, but nothing will be happen to us now, so we are using that. Yes, this is our, I think this is our case. This draw function is refreshing this value, means it is running multiple times, like we are using while loop, and it will use infinity. The code placed inside this will be run and run and run. Now first of all, let's start with drawing something. Here is, I have already opened references. You can type this p5js.org. I will provide all these links below. We will not deal with this color camera and something like this, but color and no color, 2D shape. Yes, first of all we will use 2D primitives. We will draw all this for beginning, then we will start making them 2D rotation. You can make 3D games also if you could. Let's start with line. You can draw the line, any of this line. Here are the copy given to line. I just want to go for the references first, so that you would get clear in mind, then we could make better thing by integrating all of this. Let's draw line here. Here line take 4 parameter. I have nothing to demonstrate. Let's first of all draw to, so that I would make, suppose I will make 10, 10 and 20, 10. This is the line here. I will give this 200. This is 200. You may be confused if you are beginner to computer graphic, how it draw, then you may be confused how this happened, what are these points. These are the coordinate system. Let's make here a file. We need to draw here, this is, you can take this x. Here we already, this is the 4 quadrant of this geometry. I think this is coordinate system. Yes, coordinate system. This is the 4th. Here are, I will demonstrate on paint, so that it would be clear there. Suppose, let's make this nice. It is not making me nicer one. No. Let's make a rough one. For this, something like this. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. This is first quadrant. Here this is y, this is x and x dash, and this is y2. Here we are using this quadrant for our drawing of any of computer drawings. Here we have something, this point at this x-axis and this point. Here to draw the line, suppose I want to draw this line. Here we have to join this pixel from this point. Suppose this is 2 and this is 1. I want to make this to 10 and same point I want to make to 1, same in 1 point. So this is another point and this is 1 point. So we can draw line by joining a pixel from here and here, but P5 had already given us how to draw this. But we have to pass 4 points. What are these 4 points? Are this x and y coordinate of this first point, initial point, and last point. Here we have done this as these two are the point of this and this, and here we can make a stroke. Suppose stroke is we can give color like this above. Let's give white color for this, sorry for this, 255. Here in reference all this has been written. Let's do that. This is the stroke for this. Now we could make this as more thicker by stroke. I think wait, WIGST, yes, this is, we can give this 4, 5, 6. Let's see what else. This is more thicker. Now we can think. Now this is the line here. This is the point 10, 10. This is point 200, 10. This first point, this and this are x point, and this and these are y. Now to draw from this line to this, suppose we want to make box from this by joining line. Let's draw this. I will make a stroke color so that we will 200 for this, so that we could make same stroke weight to 4, same stroke weight, stroke and stroke, and I will draw line. Here to draw line, this point are common for this when we draw 90 degree to this, and for this I will make 10, 10. Now for the further one we want to give the height of this. For this now we have to make x coordinate to same, because here we have to make this x coordinate to same position to make 90 degree, but I will give 200 to the height. Let's see, this is 200 height for this. It has been made by joining every pixel from this point, 200 pixel, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 200 pixel here. Now you can likewise you can make other coordinate too. Let's make 4 coordinate and let's watch. Here I will give this is 100 and this is 50. Now that was the point we have given. Now this we have to change this point, because I want to make drawing from this point. This is actually 210, so we have to make this 210. Yes, it has a triangle now, because the last point of this is I have given this. Now I have to give same point. This x-axis should be 200 and y-axis 2 should be 200. This y position and x position are 200 in both the case. Now this is not a 10, This is, I think this is 200. Yes, we have moved to this. Sorry for this. This is 10, but this is 200. Now it is making this small dot here because same point here, and this is 200. Now it has been completed here. Now like this you can make a line. Now let's draw a rectangle. This was the tutorial for line, and let's erase all this, but I will make this stroke color here. Here we will go through the line. Here we have to go to rectangle here. Sorry for this, this is a triangle, no rectangle, sorry for this. Now go through the rectangle. Where is our draw vectors? Now there are many things to do. Now this is the rectangle. You can make rectangle of various size. This have 4 point. We will discuss this. Let's learn about this. Let's make, first of all I will make this RECT. I will give to 0, 0 and height and weight to 4, 4. It should give me, yeah, this is giving me 10 and 10. Now I will make this larger one. That how many, how much I guess 50. This is 50. No need for this here. Now I will demonstrate this here. Let's select all and delete. Now I will draw a rectangle here. This is a rectangle. Here what it has done is, this is the point of what we are taking here. This 2 point, this is the point where we want to draw. Now 10, and suppose I have 10 and 10 here. This point is 10 and 10, and I want to draw some length of this rectangle and breadth of this rectangle, and it will automatically join this rectangle function. Now what it will do, it will move this position. Suppose I have 50 and 60. Suppose this is 50 and this is 40. Then what it has done, first of all it will make 60 pixel here. It will draw 60 pixel, then it will, from this point it will join 40 pixel to this, again it will join 60 pixel here, and again to 40 pixel here. Then this figure will be completed. Now we have drawn same figure in Paint. This is same what we are doing here, what that has already provided, but we are writing a program to draw that. Here it is filled with white color. You can make fill. I think I have to make this to green. 0, to 55, 0. Yes, this color is filled with green. Now you have seen there is a boundary. This boundary is a stroke, weight and line to draw that. Now if you want to make the color to no fill, I think this is the same function. Yes, this is the same function, and it will not fill this. This is it, point of the rectangle. Now we will make translation, rotation, anything later, but we are concentrating on drawing the figure in this video. Now likewise here is one part here. This is, I think this is smoothing. Let's smooth to 50. It has been made. This is, I think this take percentile. This is the percentile of how much smooth you want to make. If you make 75%, no, it will not work more than 50%, because 50% will be a total circle. Now if I make this to 60, then it will, now it will box to 60 here, 60%, because sorry for this, it has been increased the side. Now this will be more smoother than this. This is how you can make this. Now let's draw other picture too. Now for circle, let's draw circle here. You need two things. Let's make this, we will use this fill, no fill here. Let's make circle. I think this is the circle. No, yes, same is the circle. CIRCLE circle. You have to make this, but it is not. We will try. This will pick the three things for now. Let's demonstrate this. Select all, delete. Now draw this circle. Suppose this is the circle. Now there will be a midpoint. Suppose this is the midpoint. We will take this coordinate. Suppose this is 4, 4, and there will be a radius for this. These three things are concerned with the circle, because this should be a central point where we have to make a circle central, and what is the radius of the circle. This is concerned, so we will pass. First of all, we have to pass. I will pass 0, 0, so you will know what we are doing for. It should pass me. Yes, this is 3. Here we have given everything circle, but it is giving circle is not defined. Is why it is not giving me what? Again it is giving me stroke color. Let's make this all thing. Let's try with reset. Yes, this should be heavy because it is not showing me a larger one. Here it is giving me a same property CIRCLE circle. Let's copy this so that, yes, this is the point, but let's make other figure too, so that we will make, I will make ellipse so that we will know what it is doing with a rectangle point. Where is the ellipse? Ellipse is there, and ellipse take 4 point, this is the oval shape, wide and height. Let's make ellipse. Yes, it is. Let's not concentrate with circle. Now we will draw 0, 0, and it will take the height. Let's make here in this. This is the ellipse. Now here it will not consider with the radius. Now this is the central point. This will be the wide and this will be the height for this. we have to pass these two things for ellipse. Here is the ellipse. Now I will make this 10 and 10. It should be circle. Yes, here is the circle. Let's make this 50 to 50, 50 to 40. Now this should be ellipse, but it is its parts it is going more because I have already make this. It will draw from this point. We have made this point, this starting point at this the beginning 0 and 0, so it is giving me this. I will make this as 100 and 100. Now it is showing me ellipse. If I make this 50, then it is a circle. Now same thing will be goes to this. Let's make this stroke. Wait, this is because you have to take this auto refresh, otherwise it will not refresh here. Now for this browser, because this browser does not support this, if you want to fill this color, now you can play this. Yes, it has been, so I have already take this. Now if you want to, if you don't want to fill the color, then this is the option, no fill. Now this is the circle. Let's make this to 100 and 100. This is, I don't think this is 100 of 100. This size is too little, and this, yes,